Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin Drake and I'm one of the product training coordinators on the product training team here at Wellness Living. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow your clients to set the time zone that they can view appointment and asset bookings in the client web app, and the same for event bookings in the Achieve Client app. To start us off, I've logged in as a business owner and have navigated to my app drawer, then to setup, to business policies, and finally time zone. I want to ensure that on the time zone page, this toggle for allow clients to adjust time zone is turned on so that clients are able to adjust their time zone. I'm going to move over first to the client web app so that we can take a look at this improvement for assets and appointments, and then finally we will take a look at the Achieve Client app. So I've logged into the client web app and I am on my Book Now tab, and I am in the appointments section. Like I said earlier, this will also apply to your asset bookings, but today we'll just look at appointments. Because we enabled clients to adjust their time zone, I can select the appointment that I want to book, go through that booking process just as we normally would. I can select my date and time. I do have a drop-down menu here that is showing me right now Central Daylight Time, and I can also see that reflected in my list of available appointment times, but I could change this to whatever time zone I want, and Wellness Living will convert all of those appointment times into whatever time zone you've selected. So let's say I was a client living in another time zone and I was booking a virtual appointment with this business. Maybe they're a few provinces or states away from me. So I can now convert this appointment into my local time without having to look up a time zone converter or try to do it in my head. So it's really easy to see what appointment time will work for me. For the final improvement we've made to time zones in Wellness Living, let's move over to the Achieve Client app and take a look at our event time zones. I'm now in the Achieve Client app and I'm going to go through the process of booking into an event as a client. At my studio, all of our events are listed under the Enrollments tab, so I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to select this upcoming First Aid and AED training course. As I move through the process of booking myself into this event, you'll see that where the time is listed, the time zone does appear, so the client can really easily tell what time zone this event is going to be taking place in. I'll finish up that enrollment process, complete my booking, and finally, if I go down to my schedule on the app, you can also see that the time zone is listed here. So again, clients will be able to tell what time zone their events are taking place in right from within the Achieve Client app. That's all for our tutorial on improvements to time zones within Wellness Living. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.